even though it's hard and you're still putting in a lot of work, it makes more sense the more you do it. My name's Steven Johnson. I'm currently an employee, a shift supervisor with Civil Line of America, working for a major tech firm in the Seattle area. I'm a United States Army veteran, and during my time in the military, I actually started in telecommunications. So I was doing cable installation, working on encryption devices at a very, very basic level. And then eventually I moved away from there and I moved into Army aviation, flying the Army UAV program. And then after I got out of the Army, I just went to school. Before CyberWarrior boot camp, I was kind of bouncing around a little bit of everything. I was doing international shipping. I was working in physical security. I was kind of just a jack of all trades, master of none. And that's kind of really where, I was trying to see more where I could go. And CyberWarrior was kind of like a place that you could see a clear path to certification and a new career field. The choice for cybersecurity and CyberWarrior was based off of my experiences working for another major software company. I was working in their physical security operations center. And that's really where I started to see the blending of physical security and cybersecurity. And at that point, I knew I needed to get some certs and some training in the world of cybersecurity. The best part of the CyberWarrior program was class discussions with my classmates and actually having instructor-led teaching and information about the topic you're going over. A lot of places are self-taught, self-learning, and me just reading PowerPoint slides really isn't the same as talking to an instructor and talking to classmates about a subject as complex as cybersecurity. For the current position I have now, the CyberWarrior Bootcamp really added more skills to my toolbox. I was able to get my resume picked up and actually discuss some very key principles about cybersecurity, data storage, data safety, plus some of the regulatory compliances and information you need and checklists you need to safely store customers' data. My advice for anyone in the world looking for cybersecurity boot camps is, unfortunately, there's a lot of fraudsters out there. Any cybersecurity boot camp you want to look for in-person instruction, and you want to see if they're actually going to give you vouchers and set you up for getting certs. Cybersecurity doesn't care about a certificate that you may have. Cybersecurity professionals want to see actual certifications.